Welcome to Kimat.com. We are going to make some exercises on solubility. So that is the problem. Write a balanced equations first. Predict which compound is soluble or insoluble, and identify the spector ions present in that solution. We have reactants, lead nitrate and sodium sulfate. We have to make the reaction, so that produce lead sulfate and sodium nitrate. Then we had to balance the equations. So we have lead and lead, we got sulfate, we got two sodiums, we have to make two sodiums here, and we got two nitrates, we got two nitrates, so my equation is balanced. If you don't know how to make these balanced equations, we have a lot of tutorials and other videos. So then, my next step is to know which of those compounds are soluble or insoluble. So we're going to take, if you had a chart of solubility like that one, it's going to show you which compounds are soluble or not, or insoluble in solution. So right here we have the lead sulfate, right? So you're going to see the chart here. We got lead here, and sulfate is right here. So we see that that compound is soluble, is insoluble in water. Why? Because it's one of those exceptions. So if it's insoluble in water, that means that this compound is a solid. It precipitates. Okay, then we're going to see the next one, sodium nitrate. So all compounds that contain nitrate are soluble. So that means this appears in aqueous solution. So now we have which compound is precipitate, lead sulfate, and which one not. So then we have to find the spector ions in the solution. To find the spector ions in the solution, we're gonna break apart all those compounds. Every time you see aqueous solution, that means that this compound, when it touches a water, is going to break apart and disappear. So right here I'm gonna break an ions. Pb, my ion is +2 plus NO3, and we have two NO3s, two ions NO3 plus two ions of sodium plus one ion of sulfate, and that produce lead sulfate. This is a solid, so it doesn't break apart. We lead the same plus two sodium positive ion plus 2 NO3, and that's gonna be -1. Okay, so now what we have to do is cancel every ion that is the same in both sides of the equation. So let's see, we have NO3, two NO3s, and we have two NO3s, they cancel, and we have two sodium ions, and we got two sodium ions that are cancelled. Okay, so that is called my this called ionic equation, and my next ionic equation will be whatever is left over here and this is a solid. Okay, so my spector ions are those who we canceled before. So we got those ones. So my spector ions are NO3, Na, Na. Those the spector ions are NO3 and Na. So spector ions are those ions that do not take a part in the reaction. Okay, thank you for watching. Go to kimat.com. We have a lot of resources, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you.